back to another video. So, today we're playing this car game that I really like. Yeah, it's not my first time. Why would I say it's my first time? Oh, okay. I thought it was kind of laggy because I'm recording. But no, this game is really high detail, and it's a good game. I mean, I have the volume down because cars are loud. Here, I'll turn it back up so you guys can hear it, but only for like a couple seconds because it's loud. So this is the second fastest car in the game. It goes slow at the start, but then it starts going fast. Right. That's probably gonna be so loud. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around. Yeah, I have a bunch of other cars and everything. I have a Veyron. This is cool. Drive this around for a little bit. I don't really drive this car around. Because, I mean, I just don't like it, and I feel like it's slow compared to my other cars. And some cars like this majorly drift, which I hate. It's kind of fast. Yeah, 259, that's not fast. The fastest car I have, like, really drifts a lot. And this is I'm pretty sure this is the fastest car in the game, and I have it. It goes like it goes like 320? About like 320. Okay. It already goes about 50 miles per hour, just going backwards. Okay. I'm gonna turn up the volume. So I'll really show you guys how fast it goes. Hold up. I'm gonna go to the long way by the McDonald's and show you how fast this thing can really go. The McDonald's is technically like the long way because it's really long. Okay. Slow down. Is a turn coming up here? Think I take a left right here. Yeah, McDonald's is right there. McCollum's, whatever it says. Let's call it McDonald's. Alright, you guys ready? It can go faster than this, but that's about the point that it like caps out, that it drifts. So so when I'm usually in like spots like these on like ramps, why did I just it's the wrong animation too. It's supposed to look different. Why does it look like that? It's not supposed to look like that. Why look like that? There we go. Here's what the motorcycle sounds like. The motorcycle goes like 150. It's really fast. It's hard to show that go any faster. Gee, I just love using this car most. Cause I mean, listen to the ooh no, I'm gonna regret. Just listen to the noise of this car. Yeah, so I am showcasing my cars, technically. Yeah, I really like this one. So I really like that one. I also like this one. Oh, this is one of the other Bugattis. Oh, God. Okay. So, I mean, it still goes pretty fast, but not as fast as my other cars, for sure. My other cars go way faster than this car. I'm not saying it's slow. I'm just saying it's not as fast. So it caps out at 260. And then what about this Lambo? I'm gonna turn my volume up for this. That's about how fast that goes. And yeah, that was all my cars. Yeah, that's all the cars that I have. So yeah, I want to drive back there, and I'm gonna drive back there, and then I'll end the video. Let's go! Oh god. Slow down. Wait, I forgot about the houses in this game. Never got one. I'm probably gonna get one. Don't know how much they cost though. If I can afford these cars, I can probably afford a house. Well, don't know how to get out of this one. Like and subscribe, please. I've almost regained all my subscribers that I lost. So, okay, yeah, bye.